Dear students, respected Professor Anbalagan, Professor Rajalakshmi, and other faculty members in the link, good morning to all of you. It is my great
Good morning,
pleasure.
sir.
It is my great pleasure to appreciate all the faculty members who have involved themselves in organizing this great event for the benefit of the students' friends, and more particularly invited me to address at this validatory function today through this webinar. Dear friends, you are lucky enough to attend this 12 days program, as this program has been meticulously organized by Professor Anbalagan, and we need to appreciate him as he has identified a very rich resource person to talk on very important topics, namely motivation, NSS, and human values, which is very important, computer literacy, and yoga session he has organized, then breathing exercise, then entrepreneurial skill also was covered, and soft skill and life skill for engineering students, personality development. Okay, and similarly, many other important topics he has organized. Then OERC activity. Okay, similarly, many important topics was covered in these 12 days. So you are all lucky enough to attend this program. Certainly, you would have enjoyed these 12 days. And now we are at the end of a validatory function. And I am thankful to the organizers for having invited me to address these students. And I can say that whatever I'm going to say is my personal opinion. Maybe I want to share some information from management point of view, as I am from the management side, and you can follow if you are convincing. Otherwise, no problem. So, first of all, my sincere congratulations to all the students for choosing Anna University, a top class technical university in the country, for your engineering education. My special congratulations to all of you on doing BE, Triple E, where you can achieve your highest potential, no doubt. To a freshman like you, everything may be new, everything may be interesting. Some of you may feel very excited, while some of you may feel overwhelmed. If you ask me a question, who is a busy person in the world? The busiest person in the world is a college student. You may not find time, you may be ready to do all work, but the problem, according to you, you may say that you don't have the time. So you have to maximize the time use. To maximize the time use, you would better plan your schedule before class starts. Better still, spend some time to set your goals, which is very important, and spend some time to plan for your works of the coming years. Think about what you want to achieve in these few years of your stay at Anna University. After all, 4 years are really very short period in your life. Don't forget that these 4 years are very crucial to you, to your life, for the development of your life. Dear young friends, set your goal high. Never underestimate your abilities or capabilities. If not you, who else can set goal for you? That you have to note down. Good time management, self management, self motivation, self appreciation, self satisfaction, in toto, self management are the key to your success. Don't forget this. Although participating in students or college activities is a good exercise, I agree. But you have to spend your time very wisely for what you spend your time. You have to respect you, your time. If not you, who else will respect you or your time? That is more important. You should aware about social activities. I also endorse that it is important for every students that at a young age to involve in social activities, which is good for the society. But you have to strike a balance between studying and socializing. Don't spend too much of time in these socializing activities because you should not neglect your studies, which is very, very important for your life, for your family. It is perhaps tempting to enjoy movement and you may like to have fun with your friends rather than working hard on your studies because of the age, young age, you may like this. According to young minds like you, college days are meant for enjoying the life by involving in all other activities. But you have to equally focus on your studies. This, this is what my appeal to you. But if you work hard enough, you will find all engineering programs, not only BE, EEE or any other program, are actually much more interesting than social activities. At this juncture, I strongly stress that success does not come without hard work and better time management. Again, repeat, success does not come without hard work and better time management. 4 years at this university will go as quickly as possible. If you do not want to end up being Medicare, I mean to say the average student, if you don't want to end up being an average student, study hard, acquire required skills. This is very important. You have to acquire the required skills of engineering graduates. If you want to have a rewarding career, study hard. As I said earlier, all the management, I mean, engineering programs are challenging, but they are all also highly rewarding. This you have to note. All the engineering programs are challenging, but they are all highly rewarding than any other program. So no doubt on it. So you have to work hard. You can make the world of difference with your engineering skills, no doubt. So if any change should occur in the world, engineering skill is very important. The role of engineering graduates is also very, very, very important. Therefore, dream of great things. நல்ல கனவு காணுங்க. Dream of great things that you can achieve when you will become an engineer after 4 years from now. Dear friends, make use of your teachers in the campus. Don't just memorize your lectures notes. Your life of 4 years is important for you. Please realize it. Not these 4 years is not important for others, for me, for outsiders. That also you have to realize. You have to be very serious at the class. Ask more critical questions at the class. You have to involve yourself in a effective interaction with your friends. That is also very important. You believe that you have to strongly believe that your teachers who are always aim at inspiring you to think differently and find out different solutions by yourself instead of just bombarding your textbook materials. Again, I say, please ask them questions when you don't understand any of your lecture material. Believe that all the teachers are here to help you. You have to believe them. Some of you get very good entrance grade in secondary schools, whereas some of you may not. My personal opinion is that entrance grade is not really important for developing engineering skills. Your attitude to learn is important. Grade is already over. Now you have to develop your attitude to develop the skills, engineering skills on par with the global standard, my dear friends. Anna University is a beautiful campus to have a fresh and innovative start. Another key to success is to work hard and work smart. Work hard and work smart. Hard work bears fruits, and those who sow in tears will reap with songs of joy. Don't give up easily when you find these quotes difficult. Some of you may feel this. You have to, I insist a strong determination and a commitment for your study. Then only the success may come. When you run into problems relating to your study, make sure that You get proper help as soon as possible from this campus, because the campus, Anna University, Trichy campus, is with full of facilities for you, created for you. Each of you will be assigned to be a dedicated advisor or mentor, no doubt. So you feel free to contact them when you have the problems or difficulties, or when you need guidance on any issues of your life, including personal life. Again, I say that all professors are willing and ready to help you, the students, because you are our assets. You are the assets of the teachers. You believe them. And again, another angle I want to stress here is that before you become capable to solve a great challenge of main course, you have to deal with the basic first, because the knowledge of the basic subject is important to, very important. Besides learning the fundamentals, it is very important to involve yourself in basic research. In addition to some basic knowledge, you have to involve in basic research also. The research would certainly train you to be an innovative and independent. The research would help you to become world-class engineer. I believe that you will be encouraged to broaden your views by taking elective courses such as humanities, philosophy, etc., while focusing on your main engineering course. Our country needs not only good engineers, capable engineers, but it needs engineers with a good human being. So, in addition to engineering skill, you should be a good human being to the society. Please don't forget this. He will be also encouraged to take part in the work study or research at elementary level. Anna University Trichy campus will certainly help you to develop your skills and rise your competitiveness in the industry. Hence, you are going to be employed in the industry. The industry is going to be an employer. The employer is expecting certain set of skills. Therefore, I would like to suggest you all to focus on following 12 skills, which are very, very important. So the first skill which I would like to suggest you is the problem solving skills. One of the most crucial skill that the engineer is expected to have is problem solving skills. So as an engineer, you in a workplace, you have to assess the situation, identify the problem, then you have to find out the solution for the same. Therefore, focus on developing the problem solving skills. Another second skill is a computer science skills or computer oriented skills. Of course, computer is a very core subject of engineering, but even then, I would like to suggest that you should develop your skills in developing the programming, maybe computer modeling program to develop the stimulation for structural design. So you are expected to have the capacity before, in programming or structural design before finalizing the project blueprint. So computer science skill is also very, very important. And what is the latest skill or the updation in the computer science field, you have to update yourself. The third skill which I would like to suggest is that industry skills. Yeah, already you said that you are going to be employed in an industry. Industry is expecting certain skills from you, and industry is one which always use the updated technology. So what is the current trend of the industry? You should know, and accordingly, you have to develop your skills. Then only you will be employed or you will be recruited with adequate reward. So you should know what is the current trend of the industry, maybe in terms of technology, in other aspect. And the fourth one is a pressure management. Yeah, engineering projects are always challenging, so he should be able to handle multiple tasks and jobs. Yeah. Now at a time you will be asked to do so many jobs. So which one you are going to take? How are you going to manage all these jobs? That also you have to do, which is very, very important. And the fifth is, skill is a teamwork skills. Yeah, it is very important. Of course, you may be a very skill-oriented engineer, but you have to work in a team. Your success highly depends on your team. Therefore, you should be capable of getting cooperation, support from your team members, maybe as a leader or even as a member. So, teamwork skill is also very important for engineering. And the sixth one is creativity skills. Yes, I mean, our policymakers always stress creativity on all field, but more particularly on engineering field. So creative mind is very order of the day for the youngsters. So you have to find out new ways to create solution to the problem by applying your creative mind. So this is very important skill that the employer is expecting from you. So you have to prepare your resume after 4 years with your experience, your exposure, and the creativity in engineering program. And the seventh one is a structural analysis. Yes, you need to develop your capability to perform structural analysis. These skills really is very much expected by the industry. You focus on that. What is the current rate, current design, and all you have to develop. And the eighth one is a communication. Yes, you have to work in a project. Maybe even then in industry, there may be different projects and you should know the project. You have to communicate with the engineers. You have to communicate with the non-engineers. And you may be asked to prepare a technical information, technical report, and other ordinary report. So therefore, without a communication skill, you cannot prepare a report and you cannot communicate to your fellow engineer or other team, engineering team or non-engineering team. Therefore, from right now, you should also focus on developing the communication skill, which is very, very important. And the ninth one, attention to details. Yes, already said you have to undertake as many projects as possible. Yeah, you should get to full details. Even very small error in drafting or executing the plan or project or a technical plan that may result in financial loss, which is very dangerous to the institutions. Therefore, my dear young friends, you should be very careful in collecting the details meticulously. So, attention to details is also one of the skill you should focus on this. And the 10th skill, which I would like to suggest to you for the engineering graduates, is the educational commitment. Yeah, you are all aware that change is the permanent. In all field, change is taking place on par with the global standard, more particularly in the field of the technology. So you should continue to read not only now, even after the BE graduation, and you should continue to read. That attitude you should have. Learning is a continuous process. Okay, so that skill, that attitude you have to develop right from now. And the 11th skill is a data modeling. Yes, data modeling is a part of the engineering program. You know very well. You have to gather the data and create the models for good analysis and useful conclusion, which is very important. And you have to demonstrate your familiarity with the data modeling structure before your employer or before the industry, which will help you for your personal development. Okay. And the last one is a leadership. Yes, my dear friends, everyone is a leader. Even our father and mother is a leader, no doubt. So, what is the leadership? You have to motivate them, others. You have to get work from others as desired, as expected by your employer. So you should knowingly or unknowingly you have to develop the leadership skills. Otherwise, you cannot work in a team and you cannot be a team leader. Of course, we are all engineering graduates, and you may have very lesser exposure on the leadership on the management subjects, but outside the syllabus, you should know what is the leadership, how to motivate them, how to, encourage the employer, your fellow person, worker. So that is also very important. Therefore, my dear students, I have suggested you 12 skills. Of course, it is very, very, very uh, uh, not exhaustive. Many more skills also you have to develop. This is what I think that at this because you are the first year, you are going to start your engineering education right now. Therefore, if you focus these skills, certainly you will come out with a good color. With required skills for the industry. So Anna University Trichy campus may be the new place for many of you. You have to love to see many place, many new place. Learn from variety of places. You can ask me why. To ask until you satisfy your desire. To learn to reflect meticulously. To distinguish clearly and to manifest that things you have to learn. So many facilities are available in the Anna University campus. By using such facilities and experienced faculty members like Anbarakan and Rajalakshmi, I wish that you should become a very, very skill-oriented engineer. I hope all of you will be a graduate with a flying color after required number of years and become a world-class engineer with a deep and broad knowledge in the field in which you have chosen. Remember to work hard and aim high because you have a lot of ability and capabilities. Never underestimate your ability and go with your passion. Don't forget our mother tongue and our country. Okay, so we have to develop our skills, thereby we can contribute a lot for the development of our nation, particularly India. The new education policy has been developed, has been framed with a motive of developing skill at the graduate level and postgraduate level and research level. Therefore, skill developing skill is the mantra for the success of any engineering, any graduates, any young students like you. So with this, I once again wish to appreciate the organizers for having invited me to address this gathering. Uh, I believe that my information may be useful to you, the young students. Again, I say, students, you are all lucky students. I wish you good luck. I once again thank the organizers for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you once again. Thank you.